Hey, how's it going, my friends? If you love beach property and you're a car enthusiast and you've always wanted a place where you can spread out and have all your cars and all your toys, then this property is going to be for you. It's something like I've never seen before. I'm only a few minute walk to the sand at T Street in San Clemente, and this is a very special property. I'm going to turn the camera around here so that you can see. I am currently standing in a massive, I don't know how many car driveway, 1, 2, 3, at least 3 car driveway, and the house itself has a massive 3+ car garage, and there's wide open street parking. There's horizon ocean views out there. This place is super cool. It's got a very modern facade, as you can see, tons of security cameras, this really unique smooth stucco and this kind of cool calming gray. And check this out, we're gonna walk through this massive 9-foot front door. It's got the most radical polished concrete floors in this ocean indigo blue. They go all through this great room into the open concept kitchen. And then here's where it even gets more interesting. Check this pool out. This pool goes and wraps all the way around the living space. So it's super unique because it feels like you're on the edge of the ocean or something with this pool here. I can just imagine how many cool parties have been here, or how the entertaining possibilities are really endless. Right now it's just kind of a blank canvas ready for somebody to come in and start hosting right away. But when you're inside here, every time you look out a window, you can see the water. And that's like a very nice kind of calming thing that I'm picking up on here. And these windows, these are roughly 9-foot windows in here. So if you can imagine hanging out, hosting, always looking at the water, like I said in the beginning, if you're a car enthusiast who loves the beach and you want to have some really rad get-togethers, this property is very, very special. I'm gonna go down the hall here on this main floor. We've got a downstairs laundry room, super spacious. Definitely possibilities for more than just laundry in here. You could have a wine cellar, plenty of storage. There's a downstairs bedroom here too. We've got the closet space here. This is kind of the main floor bedroom. And then a full bathroom downstairs as well. Pretty simple bathtub shower setup. But this is also right off of the massive 3-car garage. Yeah, this is at least 3 cars. Tons of ceiling height in here to do overhead storage, or maybe even a car lift. If somebody had a smaller car, you could probably get it on a lift in here. We'd have to check what the dimensions are for the lift, but it seems to be at least 10 or 11 feet in certain sections of this garage space. But there's some really detailed stamped concrete work throughout the backyard and on some of the steps that go into this house. Another thing that's nice about the inside here is the ceilings are really tall. It's probably a 10.5-foot ceiling, maybe 11 feet. As we get a better look at the kitchen here, there's this poured concrete countertop, very unique. It's held up really well. A lot of times when I see these poured concrete tops, they have cracks. These look like they've held up really, really well. Commercial grade Thermador appliance and range with the hood system, double oven over here, and a pantry space in the corner. Got the more formal eating area, but this is all open concept, as you can see. I love how you're getting the reflection from the water on the ceiling. Everything about the space in here is open and airy, very coastal. We're gonna go up these gentle stairs here. They're really wide spaced, gradual. Let's check out the upstairs and the master bedroom. Double door entry into the master here. Plenty of space. And this is where you get the best views in the house. Probably can't see it that well on the camera, but to the naked eye, there is a fair amount of horizontal ocean view. And then this deck is massive. Looking down over the pool. I don't think you could ever get a pool like this redesigned or through a city these days. So this is something that would definitely be unique and kind of novel in concept. Check out this deck. Really nice ocean breeze today. And the breeze definitely flows through this property very well. This deck goes from front to back. It's well over 1,000 square feet, probably double that. Views of the hills of San Clemente out this way. And now we're looking out towards Dana Point, and then out to our beaches, T Street, Lost Winds, Ribby. All the best beaches are just a few minutes away from this property. So we're gonna go back into the primary here. Again, tall ceilings. This is a really unique finish on the wall. I think this is a plaster. It's kind of got a velvet hue to it. We're gonna go into this primary bath. More of these hand-poured concrete countertops and vessel sinks of the same variety. And then the cabinets kind of have a very unique finish on them too. It's not like your typical wood finish. It has more of that Venetian plaster look. You definitely don't see many properties finished out this way. So it's cool to just see something this unique. Everything in here is open, no shower glass doors, double waterfall shower setups with massage features. All the open nooks there. And this large jacuzzi tub. And then there's this hanging chair just to hang out after your shower, relax. All right, let's go check out the rest of the upstairs. More of this velvet purple Venetian plaster. Got 2 guest bedrooms here. The plaster in this room is more of a cool gray. This room has an awesome ocean view. We're on the street called Esplanade. We're in the 200 block, so the lots on this street are much deeper. So that's how you get this property to be so set back with plenty of room for a pool. Bedroom number 2 here. Got the closet space. Nothing too fancy about these guest bedrooms. But as we work our way to the 3rd bedroom, this is guest bedroom number 3. There's a hallway bathroom. So all these bedrooms are serviced by this hallway bathroom. Got some more unique tile work. Black bathtub. Concrete countertops, same as in the primary, and that plastered look on the cabinet doors on the vanity. And then the upstairs has this really killer hangout spot, a whole nother den or family room. I love this space. More ocean views from up here, tall windows, tall ceilings. And then this space lives really seamlessly with the outside. You open these up and you get a killer breeze through here. Got some really good landscaping to kind of go along with the vibe of the property. Palms. Then you get a look at this driveway where we started. Check this out. The previous occupant here definitely was a car enthusiast. They utilized this space well. You can see that long driveway with the very detailed stamped concrete. So you can get at least 3 cars in this driveway without even trying hard. Plus the interior garage space. And then over here, there's some more hangout space. This room is huge. I can definitely see pool table up here, big screen TV. This would be a very fun spot to host and entertain. Again, this is just something that you don't see every day in San Clemente. Whoever built this property definitely went above and beyond with some of the unique finishings that we see here. Very taste specific, but also super cool to see. And if you've been looking for a property that you want to get your cars, you want to be down by the beach, you want to have it all, then this is something you should definitely check out. Feel free to drop a comment. Let me know what you think of this place. And if this is something you're interested in, I'd be happy to give you a tour. Shoot me an email, send me a text. I'll look forward to hearing from you. See you on the next one.